You already know what your addiction is. You don't need me to name it. Phone, adult content, nicotine, food, scrolling, gambling. Doesn't matter what it is. The cycle is identical. You decide to quit. 3 days in, you're doing good. Then 1 week moment, one trigger, and you're right back where you started, hating yourself, promising again, repeating again. And every relapse doesn't just restart the habit, it destroys your belief that you can ever actually stop. That's the real damage. Not the addiction itself, but what it does to how you see yourself. Here's what nobody tells you. Willpower never was the solution. Your brain doesn't respond to force, it responds to design. And right now, your entire environment, your triggers, your patterns, they're all designed to pull you back in. This video isn't motivation, it's the actual mechanism. Watch it fully, because the part most people miss is at the end, and that's exactly why they keep relapsing. Step 1, name the exact trigger. You don't get addicted randomly. There's always a specific trigger. Boredom, stress, loneliness, a certain time of day, a certain place. Most people try to quit the habit without ever identifying what pulls them into it. Sit down today, write the exact moment the urge hits. That's your real enemy, not the addiction, the trigger. You can't kill what you haven't identified. Step 2, destroy the environment. Your environment is running your behavior. You just think it's you. Phone addiction, app deleted, charger moved, screen grayscale on. Smoking, stop buying packs. Remove every lighter from your space. Adult content, website blocker, install tonight. Not tomorrow, tonight. Willpower fights your environment and loses every time. Stop fighting. Redesign. Step 3, replace, don't remove. Your brain doesn't handle empty space. Remove a habit without replacing it. The addiction rushes back in to fill the gap. When the urge hits, you need a pre-decided replacement ready. Not in that moment, before that moment. Urge hits, you already know exactly what you're doing instead. Walk, cold shower, 20 push-ups, something physical, something immediate. Replace the behavior before your brain has time to negotiate. Step 4, break the identity. This is what your competitor missed entirely. You keep relapsing because deep down you still identify as someone with this addiction. I'm trying to quit means you still own it. Flip it permanently. I'm someone who doesn't do that anymore. Not trying, not quitting, done. Your behavior follows your identity. Change the label. The actions follow. Every time you honor that identity, even once, your brain records it as evidence. Stack enough evidence, and the old version of you stops feeling real. 1 month from today, you're either still in the same cycle, same relapses, same self-hatred, same promises, or you've actually broken it. The difference isn't strength, it's whether you actually use what you just learned. Start with step 1, today, right now. Comment, I'm done, not for me, for you, because that's the first moment you choose the new identity, out loud.